Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Nissan Juke brake light bulb. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, open the rear hatch to easily access the taillight assembly. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get that taillight off. You'll find two Phillips head screws securing the taillight assembly to the vehicle's body. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove both of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back, away from the car. It should slide out without much force, revealing the bulbs inside. With the taillight assembly detached, you can now access the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb holder, which is usually a colored plastic piece. Twist this holder counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from the assembly. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb and firmly push it straight into the empty socket until it's seated correctly. To finish up, reinsert the bulb holder into the taillight assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.